As of 2022, the Philippines stands as the third largest user of geothermal energy. The United States holds the top position with a capacity of 3,794 megawatts, while Indonesia secures the second spot with a capacity of 2,356 megawatts. The Philippines generates energy amounting to 1,935 megawatts. Notably, the Makiling-Banahaw Geothermal Complex leads with the highest capacity at 458 megawatts, followed by the Tiwi Complex at 289 megawatts. Examples of geothermal power plants in the Philippines include the Tiwi Geothermal Power Plant in Tiwi Albay and the Macban Makiling-Banahaw Geothermal Power Plant in Calauag, Laguna, both commissioned in 1979. Additionally, the Palinpinon Geothermal Power Plant in Valencia, Negros Oriental, began operations in 1983, followed by the Bacman, Bacon Manito Geothermal Power Plant in Bacon, Sorsogon, which was commissioned in 1993. Lastly, the Mount Apo Geothermal Power Plant in Kidapawan City, North Cotabato, commenced operations in 1996.